Well, staying with those pictures that are now coming in as far as Aam Aadmi Party's protest march that is being led by Chief Minister Kejriwal that has begun outside the BJP headquarters. But what is one thing to be pointed out? Because the very same march which was supposed to be against the arrest of his aide Bibhav Kumar, there has been no mention whatsoever in at least 11-minute long address that the Chief Minister did to the party karyakartas at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. That was not a single mention of Swati Maliwal, his own party leader, his own party MP who was allegedly assaulted at his residence, and that is the residence of the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. You can look in those live pictures that is taking place as far as the protest march is concerned. Any minute now, Tetri and Pragya, both of them joining us live right now. Tetri, any minute now, we're expecting the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, the Chief Ministers, to be out.
Well, yes, and let me tell you, one of the leaders is already out over here. Sanjay Singh is over here, and let me show you the visuals because he will also be moving towards the protest side. Sanjay Singh, senior member, the MP who is here, who held the press conference on after 48 hours this incident took place. So here you see Sanjay Singh in this particular protest site, who will also be participating in this protest. And also remember that he was the only one who said in this particular press conference that strict action will be taken against Bibhav Kumar. Question over here is that what is the strict action that Aam Aadmi Party took against Bibhav Kumar? And then post that there was this press conference that was held by Atishi, where she said that हम स्वाति मालीवाल का जो सच है वो सामने लाने वाले हैं. So yes, we can keep on showing you the visuals because high drama is unfolding here at in front of the party headquarters, and it seems like that they will be staging a protest here just outside the party headquarters. And in a short while from now, all the senior leaders from Aam Aadmi Party will also be gathering over here. But you see, what important over here is that the address, the speech that Arvind Kejriwal gave a few minutes back from the stage, where all senior leaders from the party were present. We'll also try to speak to the कार्यकर्तास who have gathered over here. क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? आज आपका प्रोटेस्ट है, वहाँ पर बैरिकेडिंग लगा दी गई है. पीएस के ऊपर फॉर्मर पीएस के ऊपर केस किया गया है, इस पे आपका क्या कहना है? किसके ऊपर केस किया गया? अरविंद केजरीवाल के जो पूर्व पीएस रहे हैं, सेक्रेटरी रहे हैं, उनके खिलाफ केस किया गया. एफआईआर हो गई है, जुडिशियल कस्टडी में भी. ये एक पॉलिटिकल स्टंट है, ठीक है जी. ये मसला कुछ और है, बस ये सब घुमाने वाली बात है. किस तरह से आज आप यहाँ पर धरना करने वाले हैं? बैठने वाले हैं, आगे जाने की कोशिश करेंगे, क्या कुछ रहेगा?
क्या मैम? हम अपने नेता अरविंद केजरीवाल के नेतृत्व में, ठीक है जी, प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे. 1 घंटा कम करके
हमें क्यों बंद कर रहे हो? इकट्ठा सबको बंद करो. तो हमारे शीर्ष नेतृत्व और सारे हमारे कार्यकर्ता सब इकट्ठे होके जाएंगे. गिरफ्तारी
एक साथ गिरफ्तार कर लो. देखे मोदी जी की पुलिस में कितना दम है.
गिरफ्तार किया, उन पर तो आरोप लगे हैं.
आरोप लगे जी, तो एक चुनावी स्टैंड है, कुछ नहीं है. ये ख्याली पुलाव है, ये चुनावी पुलाव.
ये आरोप क्यों है? मोदी जी मणिपुर के बारे में नहीं सोचे.
और जो स्वाति मालीवाल के साथ हुआ, उस पर आपका क्या कहना है?
ये आपने मणिपुर के टाइम में आप
इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है.
मणिपुर नहीं सूझ रहा उनको.
जब तक जेल में चला रहेगा, आना जाना लगा रहेगा.
All right, so these are the Aam Aadmi Party कार्यकर्ताs who are saying that no matter what, they will be protesting over here. And in a short while from now, this is the gate. Let me show you from where Arvind Kejriwal will be participating in the protest. The senior leaders have already started coming outside the party headquarters, and in fact, a very significant protest. They will be trying to cross the barricades, but what we are being told is that they will not be allowed to cross the barricades. In your visuals, you see on your screen again, Sanjay Singh there has arrived outside the party headquarters, who held the press conference, which was very contradictory, ironical statement, and in fact he has said that strict action will be taken, कार्रवाई की जाएगी. But your question is that what is the कार्रवाई that Aam Aadmi Party did against Bibhav Kumar? So here it seems like now they are going to sit on dharna.
What action should be taken?
They are sitting over here now, which seems like just outside the party headquarters, because now they will not be allowed to march towards the BJP headquarters since the security has been deployed. So yes, again
right now we are looking at those pictures because the entire area that has been barricaded, section 144 that has been imposed. We are looking at BJP headquarters right next to, in fact on the same road itself. Chief Minister could be out any minute. Let's listen in to how the BJP is now reacting, because they are calling it as a new drama by Arvind Kejriwal.
जब तक चुनाव है, कांग्रेस, आम आदमी पार्टी, ये सब लोग महिलाओं पर अत्याचार भी करेंगे और बोलेंगे भी नहीं। संदेश खली की घटना हो या शीश महल के अंदर मुख्यमंत्री निवास में एक राज्यसभा की महिला सांसद की अपनी ही पार्टी के मुख्यमंत्री के घर पे पिटाई हो, इससे शर्मनाक घटना क्या होगी। इससे पता चलता है आम आदमी पार्टी में महिलाओं का मान सम्मान कितना है। इनके एक के बाद दूसरे वीडियो आज सोशल मीडिया पर आ रहे हैं और आम आदमी पार्टी का चेहरा बेनकाब हो रहा है। ये भ्रष्टाचार में डूबी पार्टी है और महिला विरोधी पार्टी है।
क्या करें, जेल में बंद, इस्तीफा दिए नहीं, महिलाओं को उनके स्टाफ पीटते हैं, जो एमपी हैं, तो कार्रवाई नहीं होगी क्या? ये कौन सा मॉडल है अरविंद केजरीवाल का? तो कोई दादागिरी है क्या? कानून अपना काम करेगा, लेकिन डेली उनकी कलाई खुल रही है ना, खुल रही है।
पहले करेंगे भ्रष्टाचार, फिर उसके बाद करेंगे दुराचार, उसके बाद लगातार दुष्प्रचार और अब अरविंद केजरीवाल का इमोशनल अत्याचार। परंतु अरविंद केजरीवाल जी इमोशनल अत्याचार के बदले स्पष्ट सवालों का स्पष्ट जवाब देते हैं। आज सवाल ये पूछा जा रहा है कि विभव कुमार, जिस पर इतने गंभीर आरोप लगे हुए हैं, उसको आप संरक्षण क्यों दे रहे थे? आपके नेता की पिटाई आपके नेता के घर पर, आपके नेता के द्वारा, आपके नेता ने पुष्टि की, आपके नेता ने पुलिस को गवाही दी, पर आरोप किसी और पर लगाते हैं। यही चरित्र है अरविंद केजरीवाल का।
All right, with the reactions coming in from the BJP side, well, Pragya, that is the thing that needs to be pointed out. Arvind Kejriwal is now connecting this entire incident to the ongoing elections. He is now targeting the BJP. पहले ऑपरेशन लोटस होता था, अब ऑपरेशन झाड़ू हो गया है।
Well, this is what Mr. Kejriwal has said just now while speaking to his MPs, MLAs and also about Aam Aadmi Party, how he got this secretive information about BJP, in fact Prime Minister targeting Aam Aadmi Party and trying to break up Aam Aadmi Party. But Amita, question here is not that. Why they are protesting today is not because of that. Why they are protesting today is because Bibhav Kumar, who is close aide of Mr. Kejriwal, has been arrested and he has been sent for 5 days police remand. This is exactly the reason why Aam Aadmi Party today gathered here to protest here, and this is exactly what Chief Minister said last evening when he said that we will all quote arrest at BJP headquarters, we will march towards BJP headquarters. But if you could just look at the live reactions of the police that has been
बोला तो अभी आप कहाँ थे उस समय? आपका भी कैमरा था वहाँ। अब आप चाहेंगे उसी चीज पे हमें पार्टी का भी काम करना है। नहीं, आपके हिसाब से नहीं चलेगा।